Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle New. This time we talk about J-Hope Encore show may mark BTS reunion on their 12th anniversary. BTS member J-Hope has officially announced the final leg of his Hop on the Stage World Tour with two special encore concerts scheduled to take place on July 30 and 40, 2025 in Gyeong, South Korea. What's capturing global attention is not just the closing of his solo tour, it's the timing. July 30, 2025 marks the 12th anniversary of BTS debut, sparking hope across the BTS army fan base that all seven members might reunite on stage for a surprise performance. The concert will not only be held in front of a live audience but also streamed globally, giving millions of fans a front and the row seat to what could become a historic moment in K-pop history. And the excitement surrounding a potential reunion was amplified when BTS recently asked fans to respond to 12 special questions related to their journey with the band, symbolically and aligning with their 12-year milestone. J-Hope himself has hinted multiple times at the possibility of a full group comeback, and fans believe this could be the moment since the majority of BTS members are expected to complete their mandatory military service by July. The chances of seeing and the OT7 all seven members together stage seem higher than ever. For many, the idea of a group reuniting on such a meaningful date has turned into more than just a dream. It feels like a real possibility. However, there's a one catch. Member Suga military discharge date is set for July 2021, and which is just a week after the concert. Despite this, fans are hopeful that he could possibly join using his accumulated leave, a privilege and the sometime granted under South Korean military rule. The online fandom is buzzing with hopeful messages like can Yoongi be released early and OT7 on July 30, please. While there has been no official confirmation from Big Hit Music or BTS, and these hopes have ignited a wave of anticipation and excitement across fan community worldwide. And regardless of whether a surprise reunion takes place, the final leg of J-Hope's solo tour carries emotional weight for both as the artist and fan. The fact that it aligned with BTS' debut anniversary make the event even more meaningful. With all eyes on Goyang this July, fans are coming down the days, holding on to the hope that they might witness. And fans believe this could be the moment since the majority of BTS members are expected to complete their mandatory military service by July. The chances of seeing and the OT7 all seven members together stage seem higher than ever. For many, the idea of a group reuniting on such a meaningful date has turned into more than just a dream. It feels like a real possibility. As a once in a lifetime moment, the return of BTS as seven together on their 12th anniversary stage. Until then, all ARMY can do is wait for either an official announcement or a magical surprise. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time. Goodbye.